everyone, I made this blanket and everyone has been asking me to make a video on how to make this flower, this granny square with the flower. So I decided to make a video showing you how to make this granny square with this flower. Colors you can use any color you like. I use these colors. Hope you manage to make it and you understand what I am doing. We start by making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we go in the first chain here and we close it with a slip stitch. Now here in the middle we're going to start with a chain, the next row, and in the middle we have to make 7 single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, with the chains. With the first chain they are 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have the chain. We go in the first chain and that is 8. So we made 7 single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, and a chain. We start the next row with 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. That one here we have serve as a single crochet and do 2 chains, and we have to go on every single crochet that we have and we make a single crochet, 2 chains. Sorry, we go on the next one, we make a single crochet, another 2 chains, we go on the next one, another 2 chains. In all we have to have 8 with the first chain. You continue doing like this, like that, single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, on the ones we made before, and 2 chains that separate them. In all we have to have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the chain, 7, and we have to make the last one, 2 chains. We go in the last one here and we make 8, another 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we go in the first, these 3 chains we made in the first when we started, we go in the first one, we go in the first one like this, and we finish with a slip stitch, and that is the first color. So we made 5 chains, 8 trebles, 7 trebles and 1 chain, that make 8. Then we started with 3 chains, a treble on every, a single crochet, sorry, here we made single crochet too, or double crochet, how you call it. Then you start with 3 chains, a single crochet or double crochet on the single crochet we made before, and we separate them with 2 chains. We start with 3 chains because the first chain serves as a single crochet, and in all with the first chain we have to have 8. Now I changed the color, as you can see I'm using orange. We go here where we had the first chains and we make a single crochet or double crochet, half a treble or half double crochet, and 3 trebles or 3 double crochet, depending how you call them. 1, 2 and 3. We finish with half a treble like we started, half a treble or half double crochet and a double crochet or single crochet, depending how you call it, and that is the first petal. We go in the second chains. We start with single crochet or double crochet, half treble or half double crochet, 3 trebles or 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and we finish with a half treble and a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. And that is how you have to make. You have to have 8 petals. You have to make in all the chains that you have. In all you have to have 8 petals like we did here. Single crochet, half treble, 3 trebles, half trebles and single crochet. You continue all the row like that. So as you can see here, we have 8 petals. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we start the next row. We make 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5. We go here in the first treble here that we made of the other color, and we make half a treble or half double crochet. You put the hook over there and you make half a treble or half double crochet. Another 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. You go in the next one here in the first those we made in the second row, the single crochet, and you make half a treble. Another 5. You go here and you make the same, and you continue all the row like that, making 5 chains and half a treble or half double crochet in all of these here. The row is ready. As you can have the last 5. We go in the first chain here. No, not in the first chain. We go here over here and we make a half treble over there. We finish it like that, like the others. We go make a half treble in here. Now we go in the chains we made before, in these 5 chains, and we make a single crochet or double crochet, half a treble, and this time we're going to make 5 trebles. 1 2 3 4 and 5. We make half a treble and we finish with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, and that is the first petal. We go in the next one, we make a single crochet or double crochet, half a treble or half double crochet, 5 trebles or 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5, half double crochet or half double treble, and we finish with a double crochet or single crochet, how you call it, and you continue doing all the petals like that, all around like that. This row is ready too, as you can see. Now we're going to start the row like we did the other one. We start with 5 chains, 2 3 4 and 5. We go here where we made that half treble, we put the hook over there and we make half a treble or half double crochet. Another 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5. We're going again here where we made those half treble, put the hook over there and we make half a treble or half double crochet, how you call it, and you continue like that. 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and half a treble here where we made the half treble before, and we make half a treble or half double crochet. You continue all the row like that. This row is ready too, as you can see. We made the chains, the last one, the last half treble, we put it over here. Now we're going to do the same, but this time 7 trebles. We start with half a treble with a single crochet or double crochet, half a treble or half double crochet, and 7 trebles or 7 double crochet. 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. These that you are hearing, those are fireworks, because we have the feast in our village, so we have fireworks. Half treble or half double crochet and a single crochet or double crochet. So first we made 3 trebles, 5 trebles, now 7, and always we start with a single crochet or double crochet, half a treble or half double crochet, and 7 trebles or 7 double crochet. 1 2 3 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we finish with half a treble or half double crochet and a single crochet or double crochet, and you continue all the round like that. Now as you can see, the flower is ready. I cut the thread and I'm going to start with the other color, so we make the leaves. So we find the one in the middle of these 7 here. We go in the middle one and we start by making 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Now in the same place we're going to make 2 double trebles or double crochet, how you call it. 1, you turn the thread 2 times on the hook, double treble, and we leave the last stitch on the needle on the hook like I did. Then we slip them together. Now we make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to make another trim. We turn the thread 2 times on the hook and we're going to make another 3. We slip 2 at a time and then we leave the last one on the hook. We make another one, we slip 2 always together at a time, and we make another one. We leave the last stitch on the hook always, and we slip them together. When we have 3, we slip them together. Another 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to do the same. You turn the thread 2 times on the hook, you go here, you always slip 2 at a time. That is 1, that is 2, you leave the last one on the hook, and we're going to make, we have 2, we're going to make the third one. You put the hook over there, you slip 2 at a time, 1 and 2, and then you slip the 3 of them together, and in all you should have 3. Now we make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in the next petal, we go in the middle one and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will be the corner. Now we're going to make another corner and we're going to do the same. We find the middle one, we make 3 double crochet, double treble, 2. We always leave the last one on the hook and then we slip them together. And we repeat. We make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we do the same. We make another set of 3. 1, you make another set of 3 like this, and you make like this. You continue like that. Then you make another 5 chains. In the next one you make a single crochet or double crochet, another 5 chains, and in this one you make another set like this, another 5 chains, and in this one you make a double crochet. You continue like that until you have 4 corners. You only have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 1, 2, 3 and 4. You continue all the row like that. As you can see, these are ready too. As you can see, in every corner here we made a single crochet. Now we're going to make the last row, the edges. We go here with a single crochet. We make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 chains serve as a treble, and in the first one we're going to make 4 trebles, because as I told you, the chains serve as a treble. So in all we have to have 5. These are 4 and 5. So here we have to have 5 in the corners. As you can see, we make 2 chains because here we are in the corner. So between this and this one we make 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go here and we make another 5 trebles. or double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So as I told you, in the corners here we make 5, 2 chains and 5 in the corner here. Now we arrived here, and here we have to make 6 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We go here, we do the same, we do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we arrived here in the corner, so here we make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 chains, 1 and 2, because here we are in the corner, and we make another 5 here, and you continue like that. As I told you, in the corners here you make 5 trebles, 2 chains and 5, and here where we have these chains here you make 6 and 6. Then you arrive here again, 5, 2 chains and 5 here. You continue all the row like that, and this is the final result, how it comes, as you can see. Then you attach them to each other. You make as many as you want. Then you attach them depending how you want to attach them. I attach them with a single crochet. I made them together like this. I will show you how mine came, and I attach them all with a single crochet, depending how you want to attach them. I will show you, as I told you, how I made mine, how mine came. This is how it comes. As I have told you, I attach them with a single crochet, double crochet like this, back to back, and you have this result. As you have seen, this is the edges. I made the edge like this, but you can do any edge you like, and you will have at the final, as you make as much as you like, depending how large you want it, and you will have this result when you finish it. Hope you understood what I was doing and understood how to make the flower, and that you try it. Bye for now.